Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi, I'm Lola, but this is not me. This is Elaine, and she is my beautiful model today and also one of my really good friends, and we are doing a Cruella De Vil inspired Halloween look. So we're starting with a fresh face, and she doesn't have any makeup on at all, and isn't her skin so beautiful? Anyway, we're going to start with the eyes. This is what I like to do generally with my clients, and I'm taking a flat concealer brush and I'm just carving out the brows and creating a base for the eyeshadow. And the product that I'm using, as you guys saw, was MAC Prolong-wear concealer. I believe this shade is NC20, but I will put everything in the description box below. So now I'm just setting the concealer with a little Laura Mercier powder, and then we're going in with the eyeshadow. So the eyeshadow palette I'm using today is the GlowPot, and this is such a lovely eyeshadow palette. It has such nice warm tones. So I'm just using this terracotta brown and I'm just putting that in her crease. Sometimes I raise the eyebrow as well just to get right in there. Now I'm taking that deep purple just to add more of a definition and add a bit of colour, because I want the tones to be similar to the lips, because I'm going to do a purple line on the lip and a red lip. Anyway, we'll get to that. Now I'm using the black eyeshadow to create a smoky eyeliner. And now I'm just adding that into the crease as well, just to deepen it and make it a bit more dramatic, because Cruella can be dramatic. So this is the base so far, and now I'm just going in to just add a bit more depth in certain areas that I want to. Now going in with my NYX Glitter Primer, I'm just placing that onto the lid space where we're going to put the pigment and glitter. So whenever I work with glitter, I like to use pigment first. Some people just put eyeshadow, but I like pigment because it adds that vibrance, and the colour is so rich because pigment is literally eyeshadow before it's pressed and condensed into an eyeshadow. So this pigment I actually got from TK Maxx and it's really gorgeous. I can't remember the name, but I will put everything in the description box below. So I'm just placing that onto the eyelid using a flat brush, and I'm just using that to cut the crease as well. Now I'm going in with a black, again just to blend everything together and smoke it out a little bit more. Now for the fun part, glitter. So I'm using this Revolution glitter, which is such a unique colour. It's kind of silvery but gold, but also has a little bit of a green undertone, which I thought would go perfectly for this look. And I'm just taking a fluffy brush just to place the glitter over the pigment. I like to use a fluffy brush because sometimes using a flat brush can make the glitter too dense. So I added lashes off camera, and now I'm just using some mascara to blend everything together. And I never use mascara like this on my normal clients. This is Elaine's personal mascara, so don't worry guys. Now I wanted to do something a little bit different because Elaine had this green eyeliner that I thought would be really cute with the look. So I'm just placing that on her lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a flat smudger brush and I'm adding the same warm tones that I added to the crease, and also a little bit of black just to smoke it all out and add a bit of drama. I really am not that into Halloween, guys. I don't know why. I've never really been crazy about Halloween makeup, so this is kind of look that I would probably do if I was to dress up. So now I'm just adding a little bit of foundation. I prepped the skin already, and then I'm just using a sponge just to place it all over her face. The main reason for this video is just to show you guys the eyeshadow and the lips and everything together. So if you want like a in-depth like foundation contouring kind of video, let me know, leave a comment, and then I'll definitely do one. I feel like people kind of know how to do this already, so I haven't really done it, but if you guys are interested, let me know. I'll be more than happy to. So yeah, I'm just contouring and just blending that out. I don't want to give away all my secrets just yet. So if you guys want to know what I'm using, you're going to have to request for a video. Give me a like and also subscribe, and I'll see what I can do. So this is generally the process that I do with all my clients anyway. I generally, if it's going to be a bold eye, I generally start with the eyes, then move on to the skin, then I'll do eyebrows and then the lips. So then I'm just setting underneath her eyes. Now I'm adding a little bit of bronzer just to warm up the skin a little bit. Then I'm going in with this cream blush, and I honestly love this colour on Elaine. It's so pretty, but it's also quite subtle, which I like because it's not really about the face, this look, it's more about the eyes and the lips. But anyway, I'm just adding a little bit of a cream blush. I like to layer products, so a cream product and then a powder product. This is how things are gonna stay put in place and last longer throughout the evening. So now I'm going in with this Hourglass palette, which I also really love, and I'm just popping some more blush on her face. So now using this golden highlight colour, I'm just adding some onto her brow bone and her cheekbones, just to add that bit of a pop and a glow to the skin. Now it's time for the brows. I know a lot of people do their brows first, but I like to do it after I've done the foundation, just because I feel like foundation goes onto the brows naturally when you're blending everything, and so I like to brush it out and then add the colour. And I also don't like a brow that's too harsh. I like it to frame the face but not to take over the face, not to overpower the face. So anyway, I'm using the Benefit brow pencils and I'm just lightly adding some strokes where it needs to be. Now I'm just cleaning up. Yes, girl. Where's my lipstick? Now onto the lips. So I'm actually using this lip liner, which has a little bit of a purple tone. It's not really picking up on camera, but it's kind of like a reddy purpley colour. And it's so tiny that I can't actually read the name anymore. But I will try my best to find it, and if I can, I'll put it in the description box below. It is a MAC lip pencil, but I can't remember the name. But it's so perfect for this look because I wanted to do an ombre lip, so a purpley reddish lip liner, and then I'm going in with this bright red lipstick. But yeah, we're done. This is the final look. This is definitely something different that I've never done on my channel before. And if you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. Leave a like if you liked the video. Also, make sure you leave me a comment and most definitely subscribe before you leave. Hit that bell notification button so you can keep updated with my future uploads. That's it from me, guys, and again, thanks for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your week. Bye!